Good morning, students. In the last video lecture, we have discussed about mole, Avogadro's number, valency, variable valency. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about radical and chemical formula of compound. Ionic compound. Ionic compounds are formed by positive and negative ions. So the compounds with ionic bond have two constituents. First one, cation, is also known as basic radical, and second, anion, known as acidic radical. Cations are positively charged ions and anions are negatively charged ions. For example, NaCl. In NaCl, Na plus is cation and Cl negative charge is anion. Now formation of radicals. Basic radicals form by removal of electrons from atom of metal. Acidic radical. Acidic radicals form by adding electron to the atoms of non-metal. The simple radical. Monoatomic radical such as Na plus Cl minus are called simple radical. Composite radical. When the radical is a group of atoms carrying charge, it's called as composite radical. For example, NH4 plus charge. Can you tell basic radicals and acidic radicals? In your textbook, page number 55, which are the basic radicals and which are the acidic radical among the following? यह जो क्वेश्चन है, जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज है वो रहते हैं बेसिक रेडिकल्स. तो उसमें पॉजिटिव चार्ज है Ag प्लस Cu प्लस Fe3 प्लस Ca प्लस 2 NH4 प्लस K प्लस Na प्लस. These are basic radicals. And acidic radicals, negative charge ions, वो है Cl minus, I minus, SO4 2 minus, NO3 minus, S2 minus, MnO4 minus. These are acidic radicals. Now next है, use your brain power. Classify the following radicals into two types. While doing this, use a criteria other than criteria used above. सो इसमें आपको रेडिकल्स दिए हैं, डिफरेंशिएट करने हैं. तो ये जो सिंपल रेडिकल्स है वो है Ag प्लस Mg2 प्लस Cl माइनस Fe2 प्लस Br negative charge. These are simple radicals. While other radicals are composite radicals. They are SO4 2 minus, ClO3 minus, NH4 plus, NO3 minus. ना यहाँ पे एक टेबल दिया है आपको कटायंस और अनायंस का, वो आपको लर्न करना है. हाइड्रोजन H प्लस, सोडियम Na प्लस, पोटेशियम K प्लस, अमोनियम NH4 प्लस, सिल्वर Ag प्लस, कैल्शियम Ca2 प्लस, आयरन 2 Fe2 प्लस, कॉपर Cu2 प्लस, lead Pb2 plus, iron 3 Fe3 plus, aluminium Al3 plus. Similarly, anions, hydroxide OH minus, chloride Cl minus, nitrate NO3 minus, acetate CH3COO minus, bicarbonate HCO3 minus, sulfide S2 minus, oxide O2 minus, sulfate SO4 2 minus, and carbonate CO3 2 minus. Now next, positive ions, cations, name, formula, negative ions, anion, name and formula. Now chemical formula of a compound. Chemical formula of a compound is a symbolic representation of its composition. The force of attraction between cation and anion is a ionic bond. The name of ionic compound has two words. The first word is the name of cation and second is the name of anion. For example, NaCl. While writing the formula of compounds such as sodium chloride, the symbol of cation is written on left and adjoining to it on the right is the symbol of anion. This number is obtained easily by method of cross multiplication of valencies. So steps for writing chemical formula. Step 1. To write the symbol of radical, basic radical on left. To write the valency below the respective radical. Step 3. To cross multiply as shown by arrow the number of the radical. And step 4. To write down the chemical formula of a compound. Last year में भी ये मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था. तो मैं अपन एग्जाम्पल लेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. अपनी फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? First step, write the symbol of the radical. That is basic radical on left, Ca, and acidic radical on right side. To write the valency below the respective radical, calcium 2, CO3 2. Then to cross multiply, as shown by the arrow, the number of radical cross multiply किए. और last step जो है वो to write down the chemical formula of a compound, that is CaCO3. इसके न्यूमेरिकल्स भी आपको करने हैं, लेकिन इसके लिए अपने को क्या मालूम चाहिए? वैलेंसी. बराबर है. नेक्स्ट इज ऑन योर पेज नंबर 57, use your brain power. Using the chart of ion or radical and cross multiplication method, write the chemical formula of following compound. Calcium hydroxide CaOH twice, calcium carbonate CaCO3, sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3, silver chloride AgCl, magnesium oxide MgO, ammonium phosphate NH4 thrice PO4, cuprous bromide CuBr, copper sulfate CuSO4, potassium nitrate KNO3 and sodium dichromate Na2Cr2O7. आज अपन ने क्या देखा? कैटायंस क्या होते हैं? अनायंस. एसिडिक रेडिकल किसको बोलते हैं? बेसिक रेडिकल किसको बोलते हैं? देन केमिकल फॉर्मूला क्या है? और केमिकल फॉर्मूला लिखने के लिए जो स्टेप्स होते हैं वो स्टेप्स अपन ने आज देखे. और नेक्स्ट जो अपना लेक्चर होगा उसमें अपन निकालने वाले हैं केमिकल फॉर्मूला फॉर कंपाउंड बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड.